I just want to show you a little update on the pool. We've been hard at work for the last couple of days putting in the glass pool fence, and here's our bench seat. I got some pretty funny footage of us measuring up the right height, and Damien built a template. We had M&C Bricklaying come and do the wall, and they did an amazing job. We had a very specific vision for some curves, so Damo, being the handyman that he is, got involved and helped out. He cut the curves of the bricks. What are you doing here?
Curving it. Curvy bits.
Wow. And I think it looks so amazing. So the next stage is Blue Haven come in and they finish the pebblecreting. Ramonda, the MD of Blue Haven Pools, says that light pebblecreting and waterline tiles are really popular at the moment, in line with the Mediterranean trend we're seeing. Modern pebblecrete is very different to the 70s and 80s style. It's super fine and it looks almost like sand. So excited, it's filled. Here I am getting a lesson on how to do the stuff, which I promptly forgot, and lucky Damo came in and had a lesson from the guy. It's on, the jet's on. Now we've got the chemicals balanced and it's the right colour, so we can have our first swim. And now it's time to get back to work and finish the wall. Damo is on rendering and I'm on painting. The plan is to create like a beautiful feature out of the bougainvillea. Damo built a planter box into the top with drainage and everything. And here we are planting our olive trees. And we had a little family working bee to put together the Sonsara sun lounger from Cave Home. And it's so comfy. We're pretty much finished. My next video will be the proper before and after shots. The pool build has completely transformed our home.